Are you facing issue on your macOS Sonoma device? The cause of this issue could be stuck print queues, system glitches, your printer not being able to set as the default device, and more. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through top 3 easy and effective methods that usually help fixing the issue. And yes, in case you need more help, then call these numbers to talk to our experts and get quick solutions. Alright then, let's begin with the method now. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Set your printer as default printing device. First, go to the Apple icon and click on System Settings option. Then, scroll down the left panel and select the Printers and Scanners option. After that, from the drop-down menu of the default printer, click on your printer name. If choosing the printer as the default printing device doesn't fix your issue, let's move on to the next solution. Also, write your printer name in the comments if you want to see more tutorials on your printer model in the future. Method 2. Clear your printer print queue. First of all, go to the printer and scanner windows by following the steps we did earlier. After that, you should scroll down a bit and click on the arrow icon next to your printer name. Then, go ahead and simply click on Printer Queue option. A new pop-up will appear on the screen. From there, delete all the files. These methods are helpful in fixing your problem. Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you're facing any other issues, then let us know in the comments. Method 3. Remove your printer and reconnect it. Next, in the Printers and Scanners window, you need to click on the Remove Printer option. When the confirmation prompt appears on the screen, choose the Remove Printer button once again. Once that's done, you need to click on the Add Printer, Scanner or Fax option. From the list of available printers, choose your printer name to complete the connection once again. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.